I'm Anna Murray, author of The Complete Software Project Manager. In this video, we're going to answer a key question. How do I know if my project is on track or not? When you get your first look at a piece of software, something called the alpha stage, things are often messy and broken. It can be easy to panic and think it was all a big mistake. Sometimes the mess is normal, just a phase you have to go through to get a finished product. Sometimes there's a problem. So how do you know if you have a mess or a mess? Here are 3 questions you can ask. Is what's broken and messy the straightforward stuff? The features and functions that everyone seems to understand and say, no problem? If so, that's one clue you've got issues. Be suspicious if the technical staff says things like, they were saving the easy stuff for last. This generally doesn't work out well. Another clue has to do with workflows. Workflows are the paths through the software that a user would generally take. You enter a shopping cart, for example. You proceed to checkout, you put in your billing information, and so forth. The logical navigational paths from one step to another should definitely be clear at this stage, even though there may be still a few gaps in the process. Finally, it should feel as if your technical staff is seriously grappling with the harder stuff. Maybe Plan A didn't work out on some difficult feature. They've set it aside and are on to Plan B. Brows are furrowed, serious discussions are going on. If none of this is happening, I encourage you to look at my video on problems. Also, my book has a chapter devoted to this topic. If your answers to the 3 questions are all yes, good for you. It's likely your project is in good shape. As you go forward, keep an eye out. Proceeding from alpha to beta can feel a little bit like 2 steps forward and 1 step back. But it should not feel like 1 step forward and 2 steps back, an infinite cha-cha-cha where no real progress is being made. Diagnosing your project at the alpha stage with these 3 questions is a really helpful thing to do. You can then spot and deal with any issues before it's too late.